День добрый! Мы сегодня находимся на фабрике CEVICA. Design Week by CEVICA. Находимся в шоуруме. И так как мы не могли участвовать на выставке в Черсае, мы хотели бы вам показать новинки, познакомить вас с нашими партнерами, хозяевами фабрики CEVICA. Это Cesar Carnicer Vivas и Raul Carnicer Vivas. И задать им несколько вопросов.
What changes have you performed to the factory due to the pandemic?
Since the pandemic started in March, we decided to take some decisions to do some changes in the factory, mainly for the prevention of the infection. Everybody has to wear masks. Mine. There is a lot of alcohol displayers all around the factory, so everybody cleans their hands very often, and we keep a social distance. Also, we have to be very careful in the common areas like the lunch place, or also we have changed the break times in different areas of the factory. For example, as before, the people in the kiln and in the glazing machine, they were all stopping for lunch at the same time. Now they stop for lunch at different times. So, you know, there is less people together in these common areas. Also, very important for outside companies like transport companies. When they come, they have to follow a very strict protocol to avoid contact, to keep the instructions of our staff, so we avoid these infections. And I think thanks to this, we can say that our factory has 0 infections for COVID until now.
What our customers need to know to be ready for fruitful cooperation?
Our customers, they need to know that even if we are very careful about getting infected, that we have 0 infections in the factory, and all our workers are safe, but most of our workers and also most of our suppliers, they have a lot of staff, a lot of workers that have to keep at home, have to be at home, just because their kids, they have been in contact with another infected kid, and even if they are safe, they have to shelter at home, and they have to stay for a few days, do the quarantine, and so this is less people that we have for work. And in our case, what we have done now is we have hired extra people just to have more extra staff, like the reserves in the football. We need to have reserve people, so when there is somebody that have to stay at home for a few days, we always have somebody to substitute this staff, and we can do it, and we continue working 100%. But unfortunately, some of our suppliers, they cannot do that all the time, so we might get some delays in production just because the raw material is not on time, the boxes are not on time. So we also are trying to get more stock of these raw materials or boxes, so we continue to give the good service that we normally do.
Tell us what the factory is concerned about at the moment.
With all these conditions that allow us to keep on working 100% of our capacity, you must know that we keep on working with new collections. We are developing new products, and that we will launch by the end of this year and at the beginning of next year, in 2021, in the spring of 2021, we will be launching new products and we'll be renewing again our showroom. So we invite you to come. If you are safe, you are healthy, please, you can come here. Everything is all right with all the safety measures. And then we hope you can come and you can see our renewed showroom, and we can keep on working together. Until then, please follow us on our social media, in our website, or get in touch with us through your regular contact, overall through your agents, with Kestutis, with Cesar. Stay with CEVICA. Спасибо.
Какие тенденции в мире керамики сейчас и как CEVICA применяет их?
Мы следим за модой и мы адаптируем все тенденции керамику. Мы видим все выставки из мода, потому что там есть много света и мы можем видеть очень хорошо тенденцию. Сейчас мода и тенденцию очень меняется, но, конечно, у нас есть веб-апп, где ты можешь персонализировать все и можешь говорить, какой свет ты хочешь. Мы работаем с RAL, Pantone, NCS, есть много светокарт. CEVICA фабрикует много маленький формат и мы можем персонализировать все цветы. Сейчас мы работаем CEVICA 2021, потому что у нас есть мало премия. CEVICA будет в мае. У нас есть очень удобно мерчендайзинг. Для архитекторам, для дизайнерам, для шоурума. Это очень удобно. Следите за нами в соцсетях.
Спасибо вам за внимание. Мы будем рады и надеемся, что сможем с вами увидеться и пообщаться на выставке 2021 года CEVICA в месяц май. Дорогие коллеги, если вы не вытерпите и захотите увидеть нас и побыть в шоуруме CEVICA, то мы будем рады вас встретить и показать вам эту прекрасную фабрику с уникальным производством CEVICA. Доброго вам времени суток! Если у вас возникнут вопросы, обращайтесь к нам в соцсетях, по мейлам, звоните. Мы будем рады вам во всем помочь.